How can I ensure my AI implementation is secure and compliant? Security and compliance are common AI concerns. AI can be implemented securely if done right. It's all about governance, access controls, and data protection measures. Now, it's not only about the technology, but also having a flexible AI strategy and a robust AI policy. The UK government digital service has recently reported that 80% of its public sector companies are using AI, and this number will increase to 85% by 2026. Now, if they can do it with strict regulations, so can your business. And that's where Ziptech can help. We can train your leadership and your knowledge workers on how to use AI safely. This way, you can carry on your AI adoption journey and ensure that your data and your clients' data remain secure. Fill in the Contact Us form, book a consultation to learn how Ziptech can help you build a secure AI strategy.